Welcome back to it, Mapagania. We're back with another one, Bafethu. C Roberts podcast, Bafethu. Petizinya namhlanje. Mr. Mlambo, how are you, sir?
I'm feeling scrumptious, Ngibona ngizazazelile. But I'm good, I'm good. The Pirates is long, like we didn't lose all the points. At least simply we're still within the league.
Yeah.
Yeah, ngijabulile bafethu.
Petizinja. Abo beekeeper Bafethu. Beekeeper how njani ngabe yapi?
Bathi ngesilungu all is well mfethu, all is well. Mawungamazi uwela hayi gugula mfethu. All is well mfethu, kumnandi ezweni.
Kumnandi ezweni. Tsero Ghost to Ghost. How are you, sir?
Hi, we are fine, sir.
Yeah, we doing just
no
fine.
complaints.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Win 2 games in end on top of the table. It's not that bad.
It's not that bad. Yeah, well, I think before the game, Bongbuzi would you take a point? And I said no. But after the fact, I'll take it. Yeah.
We back with another one, Mapagani. Yesterday, we didn't attend the Mamelodi Sundowns versus Orlando Pirates.
So bajahi.
Yeah, that's it. So, basically, Change Bible Church, we honored the invite, I beekeeper. Obviously, I wasn't there yesterday, I was sick, and Bangan Vayanjan.
Asivaye kamnandi ntanga. We honor invites le Change Bible Church esiphe yona ngithola. Like nokuthi welcome. I think welcome kamnandi ntanga. We enjoyed ourselves there. A big screen ntanga misibabona abagula bodazini swabone kahle. Ngithola then after the game we did some post match interviews. It was a good one ntanga. It was a good one.
Did you pray? Or were you in Spain?
Uxola sithandazana kodwa sifike kuthandazwa because we were still busy trying to set up ngaphandle yangithola, but yeah, we were in the place of church ntanga. So the prayer was there, obviously.
Prayer was there.
Yeah.
Ghost, how was the journey and how was the church?
Yeah, it was a very beautiful journey. It's very grand, Nonengo. Yeah, a church in fact. It's a big church. So the women's conference, if you must figure. Yeah, inkundla yamadoda. And then yeah, Mastreta sabugeli came. Nice setup ntanga. Great welcome. You missed out mfana the Vura Vorsta. Beekeep. Hayi mele usifake ndoda leya force besidla lapha ya. Ayisezingeni eliphezulu.
No, asibonge inkabi zami number 1 asibonge upastor Nzo, isina pastor eChange Bible Church kaKlehong Thulu section oyena ozivumele ukuthi sibe iparty ye men's conference as iPirates Fans TV. Yeah, so if bekangavumanga bese ngeke size singene, so siyambonga uBishop owenza izinto zenzeke angisabi ukusho ukuthi naye uyibhani. So I think ubelulu ukuthi avela ukuthi into mayithi Pirates Fans TV abafike safika mfethu. Siyabonga nathi siChange Bible Church ukuzwa amazwi yini okubonga nokufila welcome ukuthi nemukeleke kahle bekumnandi ezweni. Siyabonga as-Change Bible Church ukuthi sibe nani nistrendise because siyatrenda kulezi siyatrenda today kwezokuxhumana, so siyabonga.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Keep and then your standout interviews, all of us, the guys did some interviews, you were there as well. Who was the standout yesterday?
Yes, bengikhona. So ama interview bemnandi kakhulu kodwa ke ukuphendula mfethu ukuthi kuma interview uwonke kade khona iyipi engirokefela. Kunale nkabi abathi uAli, mina nyazi nguAli. Inike mhlambe elinye igama nini. uAlfred.
Iye level.
Inkosi.
Inkosi manje kusemsantana.
ya ngithande lapho mayithi inkosi yona kodwa Sundowns amabhakani yakhuluma ya yamapena afikile kule ya uyabona into bafethe bengibheje ngayo kwigame yezona hayi bengime nje ngento eyodwa bafethu ukuthi noma ngathiwa amaluza khona ezweni bese ngeke sidliwele esontweni sidliwe endlini Jehova hayi uthi uNkulunkulu sesikhala ngamapha endlini yakhe hayi ngeke
Nengo
mina hayi ukuthi ngithenga ubuso ayi kodwa ngizwe lona ikhipha ndoda lithi ama levels umzile mayethi thina nekhosi akudlalela ama level afana you understand so bangasifanisi nathi hayi yabona lapha ya during the interview ntanga ngizibona sengiyahlela ngimangele lento akayishilo makayi nabanye bashayile hayi kodwa mina hayi ngipha yena
keeper ne keeper for me as well because keeper I say ukuthi beyibhaliwe na kuBhayibheli ine script lento le
just ukuthi asithandi ukudebate oba manje mangacacisa kahle ngokweBhayibheli ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyibhakaniya bazokhala abantu amanye amazwe ayoyeka ngesonto cabanga nje isandawane iselizwa ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyibhakaniya next Sunday alilo uyokhonza so asingafiki lapho kodwa nje iqiniso noma libaphi uNkulunkulu ufasile
Bulamala
No, uPK uyasinika yazi every week but nami yelele nkabu Wilfred ayishayili ayingibambe off guard
ayibambe off guard
I think no Pujabu na I think we are taking kamnandi but as always yazi uPK no Pujabu ayihlezi yeah
but also just to add nabanye mfethu like I always say meku interesting ukuzwa kwabanye abantu ukuthi balibona kanjani ibhola yabo because ngizwe umpho athi yena ufike Sundowns maka like meka afuna ukuthi iPirates win izolo ngathuka ndoda ngathi hawu khona abantu abacabanga kanjalo usho ukuthi team idlala kahle you understand khona bo Bramjomani singababala bonke intana bashayile
abashayile
isandawana lethi akuwini iPirates
umbuzo umkhumbulo umbuzo
no ngicabanga lelo sandawana lilimele kakhulu or else lisemqondweni lifuna ukukhipha ucoach mawuzwa umlandeli wePirates ethi iPirates ayidliwe ku obvious khona suke sebefuna ukumxosha beswela indlela ukuthi bangamxosha kanjani
kahle na indlela mekayibeka ngayo mekathi njengoba iPirates idlala ngakhona manje iPirates mekumele iwine igame yayizona compared to iSundowns idlala kancane so iPirates nje mekumele iwine izona
ngangishilo nkabe ngathi bayoze bethi ibhudi sebasho njalo ubhudi ke lo bazawuthi angeke uzozwa wena
Mnandezwe
akumnandezweni
shilo kushasheka
wasti bayishona leso
and then in terms of the game indanga I heard you asking amabhakani abhaya ukuthi bayibone kanjani igame ngithola and I got a sense ukuthi mhlambe you didn't enjoy it as much as mhlambe you expecting end to end attack ngithola into njani but we went there and I was like and uPujabu ishilo athi it was like sibaniki respect eningi ngithola how do you see the game?
For me that was a boring game ngithola it was game of moments because I think even though we once had ukuthi siwin izolo I think it was too tactical from both coach coach wethu coach AB I think nangendlela kangene ngayo ndanga it was too tactical asingenanga la sibonisa ukuthi sifuna ukuba attack sifuna ukubadla and now if you can check igame mase iyophela ngathi they were settling for a draw ngithola so for me I don't think it was a good game based on like the magnitude yale game there ngendlela Messi expecting ngayo for me it was just a boring game
nami mfethu I felt like ucoach wethu man ngexpect ukuthi mfethu sungena ku iSundowns ngithola into njani like ne press we didn't have the press ngithola we were just besibayeka nje bayidlala emuva ngithola Ronan Williams efika kuye ushama passes in between ngithola we didn't put any pressure on him keeper wena igame ezolo uyibone kanjani?
No ngiyanezwa inkabi zami about igame yayizolo no ya njoba nisho ukuthi no coach wethu kukhona la esimhlaba khona nala esimsola khona singabalandeli sine right yokukhuluma or yokukhala angeke sihleke into engahlekisi futhi angeke sathinta right ingekho right sinathi abasinikeze isikhathi besimamele singamafene ukuthi sithini ayikabi asimcrash but kukhona sikubonayo nathi ukuthi you know what bengamelanga kwenzeke ngalendlela le like for example mangimamela kahle amabhakaniya since ngiyibeekeeper lesizwe beekeeper labantu uningi ukukhala kuze emadlebeni nami abantu bezwakalisa uvo lwabo about indlela okwenzeke ngayizona abaningi mfethu bakhala ngokungabi khona kukambatha bembona umbatha ekhona egroundini ekhona nasebenchini and luckily lo mfana kade bekhala ngayo ukuthi bengamelanga aqala igame uDenson ukori and I wonder if angoranga uDenson ukuthi ngawukhala kanjani uyanganasena because uqala kwegame mangichecka abantu nama comment wabo bebekhala ukuthi uDenson bengamelanga aqala igame kanti uNkulunkulu uzomenzela umsamphele la goal eliyilayithining uyanganasena so njoba nisho ukuthi igame as understand ukuthi umjida kade efuna ukuyiwina or kade efuna ukudraw because ithuluzi sinalo thina sinalo lonke uhlobo lokuattack iSundowns up until ize yenze i-on goal besinayo leyo chance ukuthi sibahube up until beze beskorele bona but akwenzekanga uyanganasena so ngingavumelana nebhakaniya ngithi somehow igame ezolibe nakho ukubhora you understand so i1-1 mina benga expectanga ukuthi kungaba amagoli awu2 benga expect amagoli 5 upwards lapha boma 3-2 ewinayo khona lapha kufanele kungena amagoli amaningi but izasabana mfethu izasabana yabo njengo goalkeeper ababanga busy kangaka bebesema holiday nabashayiwanga kahle uRowan nje ilesa sicima mlile sodwa kasithulile kodwa nje khona bebengekho busy kangaka goalkeeper beyisabana lezi nkalakade I think ucoach wethu uye wabheka kakhulu amagame akudala wabona lamagoli amaningi kade lokhu besishaya ngawo labantu wasethi yaza ngiye lapha ngiyo defend understand for yena nje bakaye lapha ngomqondo ukuthi angaconsider amagoli amaningi ngendlela engibona ngayo
ndanga coach AB
for coach AB yes I always tell you coach AB izokufrustrate Sundowns but uyu coach noma thina singakhuluma sithini uye ojima nabo labafana understand but ngendlela asethape ngayo izolo mina I think njengoba sisho ukuthi he was too defensive indawo okay backline I think it was good you understand because we had really beat Hoto and our two center back which is Umbokazi no CM into esiyaziyo like but essence Sundowns I think it was difficult because we have usihlenduli sinoMasindi we know ukuthi uMasindi ke uyagijima essence uyadlala but uDasin most of the times akadlali number 10 you understand I think nakhona meka restricted ukuthi aye phambili I would have liked ukubona maybe like Etito the number 10 ukuthi like igame ivuleke you understand because mesingaba hater kakhulu iSundowns thina if we started the game well you understand but isebenzile lento leyo coach mesingayifuni ukuthi ayenze nama I was one of those ukuthi uDasin angaqala noma ngangena second half you understand but isebenzile into ka coach AB because we managed to get a goal but mina overall ngendlela like asethape ngayo team angiyithandanga so for yesterday ngamuphi 7 angiyithandanga but we didn't lose ngithola ngamuphi 7 ngendlela setting up ngayo team I didn't like it.
I think a point is better than nothing ngithola nami I'll take that point although nami I didn't agree with the starting lineup ngithola when I saw Mbatha on the bench, Master Chef on the bench, Tito on the bench ngithola dlala ngoDansini and Dansini hasn't been playing ngithola into he's not on speed with some of the other guys ngithola so at least he scored. I want to credit to the coach and I was listening to press conference post match press ati you know bambuzile ngale question yaka Dansini ati you know just that you guys don't see these players ngithola ati besivayena on a pre-season tour eSpain ngithola did some wonderful things there. That's, I think, where he started to pay attention to the young man, young tall. I think now he's starting to gradually integrate him to his starting lineup, young tall. But for the game of that magnitude, Izolo, I don't think Big Mele amfake young tall in there, young tall. I think there are other games that I want to introduce kancane, young tall.
Yeah.
E7, I won't mind E7. How do you rate to coach wethu for igame ezolo beekeeper?
Njoba ngisho nkabi yami ukuthi for me manje nganginothisa kahle not ukuthi anginazi ikhalo nazi ikhalo just ukuthi angibelieveli ekukhaleni public.
Yeah.
Yeah, so inkabi yami ngicabanga ukuthi ngingomunye wabantu engikholele ekuthenini efanele simprotect lapha amabhakane efuna umhlafuni.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, zikhona ezinye izinto engingakutshela zona ngaye ezizikhalo but not life.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
understand?
yeah.
Yeah, like for example sibone omunye umdlalo khona umdlalo kubani lo kamfaka igcineni lo and bekudala engadlala unkwayiba unkwayiba mfethu hayi siyamthanda unkwayikwaya sicabene unkwayikwaya kodwa mfethu awukwazi unkwayikwaya isihleli isikhathi eside kangaka ebhenjini mfethu uzoyifaka against lezingwele zasePitoli.
Yeah, ngithola, yeah.
Kunengalakathe ngaphandle mfethu. Hayi mfethu sikhala lapho mfethu ukuthi no mfethu asali.
Yeah.
Asala abadlala kaba rotate kodwa akabheke phela because mfethu all 3 point abafana nama loser abafana. Kukhona ukudliwa mfethu ukuthi udliwe mhlambe imagesi udliwe yabona ukudliwa imagesi udliwe isanta udliwe akufani mfethu. Khona ukuthi 3 point ehambile kodwa manje isidliwe ngabantu abazosibangela umsindo singasalala. So kufanele bheke wonke inkwayi mfethu. Akhona amagame engizothi yabona ke manje
Bonakala we.
You understand? Kodwa amagoli mhlawumbe u5 masubona ukuthi sezi yako 8 minutes siyalida mhlawumbe 3-0 donsa ke inkwayi ngoba kusafanele iRusi isale endleleni awukwazi ukuthi umuntu eRusile umfake deep egameni leyana. Understand? Sikhala lapho kukhulu ngokumrate mfethu inkabi yami ngayipha lapho ko 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10.
Fine ngizamile.
Yeah, exactly. Moving on to our goalkeeper uSipho Chain izolo.
Sipho mfethu. I don't think yesterday kunezinto eziningi akazenzile. But I think first half maqala igame enesishake kakhulu ntanga.
Yeah.
But igoal la kaShalulile I wouldn't blame it on Sipho because iqale khona phakathi. And what I liked about uSipho ubheke after my Sundowns maqeda ukuscore ube wabiza defense yakhe including uSihle Nduli. I think ikunento mekayidiscussa now which is I think njengoba lokwathana ama clean sheets kanje it's because of that the communication with ama teammates akhe ngathi ubatshela ukuthi abafethu relaxane you can't afford to make ama mistakes endaweni eso because like lela goal leli abalikori first time Sipho saved. Yes akalisanye side nolibuyisela on the play. But we supposed to have the player le Pirates ngithola alahlele la bola or aphazamise
Shalulile,
you understand. But overall yesterday I don't think like ube involved kakhulu on the game because Sundowns nayo ngathi ngiyisaba ngithola. I'll give him a 6. There was nothing much to be done. He goal but I think going forward as much as the first no mina ngalichithele side in but I think it was difficult ngendlela uShalulile shaya ngayo. But angeke ngikhale kakhulu ngoSipho izolo.
Yeah.
Give him a 6.
And a brilliant save from Dairi because if it was close range ngithola and Shalulile was alone there. Bayangana pressure bayangana yini ngithola into njani. He did well to try to push it to the side and then uShalulile I think naye bese awkward ngalesikhathi ayilanda ngithola njengoba eshaya futhi and nale yabe ngathi ibambile and like no ulayile uCM abekemele just ukuthi naye makayithinta kancane aveze yambaleka ngithola yangena ngithola. So not much to complain about. I think 7 is fair. What do you 6 I mean. What do you think of 6 yaga Mr Mlambo keeper?
No njoba ngihlezi ngisho mngane wami ngithi singama fan or singama supporter imbono yethu yonke I right akekho wrong sonke is right ukhuluma from kwelakhe side. So nami kwelami side fanele sikuvume bafethu ukuthi we goalkeeper department uChina is our number 1 goalkeeper. yeah and kufanele enye into simele si understand abafethu ukuthi uChina kusiyo iangel akusingilosi angeke perform ama miracles waya umdlali mfethu kuyehlela namhlanje uyangunderstand
yeah
and khona enye into abantu angazo ukuthi bayikhohliwe or baya ignore benze ngathi abayiboni kunento eshintshile lapha na kwi department of goalkeeper sino goalkeeper coach wethu othola ikhasi and time isishaya ichipa ngoqinile
Tyrone
yeah lo mjita loyo so uyena ebesimbona nawe then train uSipho so njengamanje akekho usasesibhedlela or kuphi but usase kwi treatment ye injury yakhe understand so njengamanje ucoach uMpontshane angisho ukuthi ngithini angisho nje ukuthi ngithini kodwa nje ngikona lapho bafunda angifundi ukusheshe nibambe mfethu angisheshe nibambe ukhoja uMpontshane ayika uMpontshane umka wahamba mfethu kabuya ngakithi lekopongolo kojozini khona le kodwa nje ngilapho ukuthi ukhoja uMsiphosi njengamanje uMpontshane lo kade mkhoja akekho so awukwazi uku-expecta into efanayo abafana babantu uyangunderstand so ifomu ingehla is possible ukuthi ifomu yehle and lento sesifuna ukuyiqala manje singamabhakaniya yokuthi simbhuwe ebafethu siyaganga
khona bambuwa
ya sekhona sebeqalile manje na ku social media khona sebeqalile manje ukuthi hey Sipho this but abanye bathayo uyayitshela what fanele masimemeza angasabuni nebhola focus ekithi sonke no man bafethu yeah kufanele si understand ilevel akakuyo akekho ku level uzo attenda sonke suke sibaningi yakhona ukuthi uyamemeza hayi ukuthi or ekuzwa ngeke eyeke ukufocusa egamini you understand so iziningi izinto abazishoya abantu as for me yes uyayidinga icompetition yeah uyayidinga icompetition nakhona kufanele silinde ukuthi udladla ulithola leli thuba okubuthelezi hayi you understand for me angiliboni njenge egamini izolo uMsiphosi 10 out of 10 yeah igoli ayikho into emhlanganise nongena kwalela goli uzamile umjida mfethu ushalulile ufikile kokuqala nje obusho bani ukuthi ushalule kade nene chance ukuthi avela khona lapha kodwa uMsiphosi waliphebeza mfethu la ngangena enokwesibili ke bafethu yini befanele yenza ama defender phela ngoba phela akadlali yedwa lapha emuva yeah ama defender so uMsiphosi for izolo cha ningamsukela ke manje ngimsukela kodwa for me ngiyalikhulumela isipho bafethu alinacala lela goli liyana even if bekuvimbeka ngazi ubaniko wena nimthandayo belizongena so for izolo umjida uperforme kahle nje ubiyishibhakane lami ukuthi simbonile after ngena lela goli ababiza baqoqa ukuthi emadoda ake sithi ukubhunga sixoxe kunenkinga and after that akubanga khona enye into okusho ukuthi mfethu leyankalakatha inabo no leadership yeah inabo no leadership and ngokuhamba kwesikhathi ungamangali ewcaptain and uyadeserve ucaptain yeah so abanye abantu bathi kuningi abakusho mfethu uChina lisuyitshela ukuthi no bafethu akusika njalo bafethu akayitsheli yeah akayitshela mpheni ithuba bafethu ningalwi naye enokubhlungu ubhakane lami ama player mfethu njengoba sikhuluma nje manje mangena game asemafonini na ku social media aku TikTok aku Facebook aku akhona la lezi izinto esizikhulumayo ngabo bayazizwa uyangunderstand and ziyabalimaza ya mawuza ukuthi namhlanje ukwate kakhulu ibhakaniya mfethu ungena ku swimming pool uswime nje ungangeni kulokuzana kwezi social media because anything oyenzayo lapha usibulalela ama player angisho ukuthi ningazwakalisa uvolweni but asicheckeni mafethu ukuthi sikhuluma sithini ngapha ningaba crush kuze kweqa
yeah
but as for me 10 after 10 izolo Msiphosi
10 out of 10 from Beekeeper. Coach, what do you think of the 10 out of 10?
10 out of 10 from Siphosi.
Hayi, hlala ngikabi.
Yeah, uyibambile uMsiphosi izolo mfethu. Lela goal lucky goal man. Babe nenhlanhla laba besibabambile nje baphunyukile izolo. So uMsiphosi uyibambile Beekeeper ngivumelana nawe 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10 for me. No, I lean more towards Mr. Mlambo. Yeah, but it's now. As you guys said, I think Beekeeper justify Magati. Like bekangekho okunye azokuyenza mfethu like mfethu he saved that ball that was very important
Sure.
so
usiphe isandla thina sifuna ingalo yonke ingayethu leyo.
and then moving on to Libito right back a keeper.
Hey yankalakatha ngiyayithanda.
Yeah,
Ngiyamthanda uMjida and indlela agijima ngayo nangendlela enza ngayo izinto. Ngichecka i-performance yakhe bese ngichecka i-body structure yakhe. Kunento engahlangani. Yamjida mfishane but uyagijima and mfishane and yeah uLibito mfethu for me. Uyaphusha uMjida uyaphusha and uyabona ukuthi na ugijima iground lonke mawumthatha umbheka. Yeah and naphambili uyafika uyasupply muhle nangama passes muhle. Yeah mina naye futhi if ukuthiwa ya rate mfethu. Hayi ngiyamnika mfethu. Ngiyamnika naye mfethu ngiyamnika lapha na 10 out of 10 Mjida. 10 out of 10 mfethu muhle kakhulu uLibito mfethu. And akakhathali. Angaze ngimbona akhathele.
That's the same, yeah. And for his age, mfethu, he'll be surprised. Like the way, like you're Kichima mfethu today, they will be mfethu. And there's a bit of experience that I like about him, young Intention. Yesterday's game, I think he was decent as well, young I don't know. What do you think about Libito?
I think he's always mature and decent. I like the way he plays and so like him going forward. As much as he came as on job, I'm sure Maple. Like there were no many special moments, but like Matthews couldn't play on the side and so which is for his age, for Uta jump, for his height, timing, mature. And he's good with connecting my players with. That's what I like. But yesterday there was nothing much to be done on that game, but it was a decent game. So I'll give him a 7.
10 for Beekeeper, 7 for Mr. Mlambo, Ghost.
Kalibito mfethu. You know Kalibito will always give you a 10 out of 10 mfethu. Like uthiletse batiski mfethu.
Yeah.
You know. Sheba rea go pele, mshebe go mrao mfethu. You can't complain about anything mfethu. And then again Mobani it wasn't tested a lot.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
but I feel like on a first touch I feel he tried to link up Karale police on the right or another I think it was a decent performance for me. Nothing to complain about. I am nigga na me Beekeeper 10.
Siyaphana mina.
Yeah, sibaphe.
10 out of 10 for Libito Elbapagania. Moving on to CM Mantanga, he had that opportunity to actually must start there. Ndona like brilliant, ndona from the back, ndona atali ona so fit, ngizoli ndunjani athi 1-2 kimang nomtachela mfethu ekhutlisa phasile mfethu mayifika ntanga. This guy mfethu, I think it was Muremi, ne? Muremi ukijima ngai. Mfethu that was obvious.
Aish boy. And then Muremi is calling for it. Muremi is calling for it.
Mfethu. Ngizoli ndunjani mfethu. Mfethu I don't understand why he made that decision. I'm struggling mfethu.
But what did I for shoot and fit at least go across goal? Not the first pool.
Sure.
And
don't shoot, yeah.
Yeah, don't shoot. But if you shoot, fun. Aish.
For us to be better players, he's a good player. You can't take away from him. But we must make good decisions. Decision making is good. To cross the ball and all across. Muremi it's 2-1.
Ashim face. See, I thought 3 points.
The guy had a good game. He was also a man of the match. But on those expected make a good decision, don't be greedy. Don't see yourself on the headline. You're playing well. He was on the headline, even if he didn't score. Cross the ball, it's Muremi score.
Yes.
Yeah, that's what I think.
Ash.
Hey bafethu engakusho kule sasigameko sika Siyema number 1 ukumkhulumela nokumxolisela. Please mabhakane ame. Let's understand ukuthi i-defender leliya number 1. I-defender. Yeah, i-defender leliyana. So indaba yokukora akusiyo ayikho egazini. Ya ngiyamshwelezela lapho. Angithi wenze right. Ngiyamshwelezela because lapho kube bekuphuma abantu abanjengo Apollis, oMabasa, abo Skomota. Showcase bekuyigoli. And ngishwelezela lapho ukuthi i-defender, so e-defendeni siyabonga kusuke kuyibonus i-defender malekorile. Ucabanga uMbokazi kube aka understand uMbokazi ephume kanje ya kungenzeka noma yini ya. So epointini lokuthi wayangaphasanga into engiyicabangayo mina, I think uMjida lela goli ulikore engakalikori. Uya kulo nje ukhahlela already sekalibalile. You understand? Kuye bese kuyi-showcase bese qedile. You understand? Nokuqalaza njengoba ngithethe i-defender indlela abaqalaza ngayo ama-defender ne-striker kufana. Uzothola ukuthi uMjida nje thina sikhala ukuthi wayangaphaselanga uMremi kanti bengamboni ngisho ukumbona. Yena bese yibonela inethi no Rowan. Ya ngiyacabangela mfethu, ngiyacabangela. And again bafethu as a striker or mhlambe kunawe kube uwe. Nawe ubungacabanga ukukora lapha.
Mina benye.
And indlela yokora beyikhona. It's just ukuthi uye waliphakamiswa straight ku Rowan. Ebengahlaba phansi ekhonini lapha. Belengangena.
That's what Ghost is
You understand? Belengangena lapha. Yeah, siyeke yokuthi kube kuliphasile. Oba nakhona ukuliphasa kukabili. Sometimes labo linemen bethi babheda. Angathi asuke liphasa lapha kuthiwa offside uMremi. Labo linemen bethu. Even though kade engekho offside. But bengathi suka ethiwa liphasa kuthiwe offside. Alikora uMremi. Instead kuthiwa igoli kuthiwa offside. Bese sikhala ukuthi ebengakori ngani. You understand? Kukabili. Yangithola. Number 1 i-defender, number 2 bafethu kungenzeka ulikore before.
Keeper noma
I know ukuthi ukhiphile ushukele etiyeni. Yeah, siyakhala kodwa kwenzekile bafethu kwenzekile so.
Yeah, out of 10 ungamnika ngaki for game lezo?
No, igole for igame ayizolo uMjida 9 out of 10. Nakhona le one ngikhiphela lela goli nje kuphela. Otherwise uMjida uperformile. I-man of the match akayitholanga ngilakhe. Deserve. Udlalile uMjida. Mjida uyaphusha and uyafika. And uyafika and kuposition asayibambile lapha amadoda amakhulu asebhejini. Lamadoda engakaza acaba ukuthi kudliwa ama-ice ngalo yaMjida and ufikile mfethu and ufikile.
And that run is not a run that is simple. Like not any other defender can make that run.
Yeah.
I think in our current squad, who mhlambe Nombokazi who are able to do those sort of runs, with the control and everything and go past players.
Sure.
Our defenders just do their primary job, but Siema go over and above. What do you think of the 9, Mr. Mlambo?
Yeah, I think 9 indeed. For me, I'll give him an 8. Nyamuzu keep uyakhala, but like when you criticize these players, as Babula, you just want them to do better. Like you cannot be a player like it's on another level. Siema mfethu, I think umbonile lapha understand. I think he was supposed to make a better decision, but we can't take away Irana Gaishayi. We was created the song in space. No one could have created that space. It's him. Make a good decision. Overall, ngaphandle kwale yanto, udlale kahle kakhulu mfethu, and one of the match uthole deserving. There was no player who played like uCM egaming Lizon.
Yeah.
So 8 mina ngamukha on this side.
And then moving right along to Mbokazi.
Ikangaphambi. Ngemuva lokho kodwa uMbokazi zelile. But mina I feel ngathi most recently ama games akhe akaveli kakhulu. CM is always on top. I don't know yini yenza leyo nto, but igame yayizolo ama player buyer they were suppressed ama performance or compressed because it was not a good game.
Yeah.
But he was there as a TLP. He was there. Shalulile gave them a problem kancane yena no CM, especially first half.
Yeah.
But I think second half bayilungisile yena no CM, the way they cover for each other ntanga top notch ngithola. Naye uTLP, it was a decent performance. There was nothing marvelous akayenzile, but I'll give him a 7.
Yeah. Nah, friend, I agree with you. Ndanga Umbogazi, he had a decent game. And I thought he was going to be up against Urenia. So I was looking forward to that battle. But obviously, I think also injuring Urenia to Swangana. But overall, I can't say much. They did their job. Sundowns didn't get too much clear cut chances. In fact, we got some beautiful chances. Keeper Mbokazi.
No umbokazi yikho ukuthi mfethu amehlo wonke eSouth Africa abheke kuye. So njengamanje since sonke sifocus kuyena sizobona yonke into mfethu. Sometimes ugcina sibona nephutha elingekho. Yeah, for igame yayizolo njoba ishinkabi yami ayikho into embi esingathi uyenzile. We understand. Bekungekho umngozi kangako especially kwi attacking ye Sundowns.
Yeah.
So bengeke amakhumoya njoba usho ukuthi besimgade vele besigade impi yabo no Rainers. Since washo ukuthi noma ngafakwa 200 minutes iyafunana. You understand isoldier leyana mfethu awumbokazi mfethu kwi age akuyo. Yeah, so for izolo iperformile inkalakatha as usual. Yeah, so mhlambe la singamchushisa khona ukuthi no mfethu siyachushisa singabalandeli. For me I think uma ingabhasobhanga one day ngobu over confident uzokwenza iblunder sometimes kwamanye amagame unokusithemba too much. Yeah, khona ukusithemba kuze kweqe uthola ukuthi usuzofuna ukwenza le into zakho zobu-TLB la eboxini bazolithatha njengana abafana balithatha enyaweni zika Song bakora lithathwe bathi ibhola lithathwe enyaweni. Yeah, kodwa yena so far so good umbokazi muhle into engayisho ngaye unyaka wakhe bafethu isizini yakhe. Yeah, futhi uya cruise, he is cruising nice. I don't think ukuthi khona into ezomvimba. Even ngake ngasho angazi ngangikhuluma kupho ukuthi ukumthanda kwethu umbokazi singamabhakaniya kufanele sithi simthanda sibe sinakho emqondweni ukuthi soon very soon sobe simluza uzohamba akadeserve ukudlala kule Betway le or la Africa. Indoda lena efanele ngayomaka amadoda amakhulu ngale phesheya not ukuthi ngidelela ibhola lase Africa but kunamadoda agijima kakhulu ngale overseas. You understand? So umbokazi uyadeserve uya ngale soon very soon uzohamba. So asithi simthanda sibe sazi ukuthi ngelinye lamalanga uyozwa kuthiwa Man City or Liverpool imtekile bazomteka.
Nah, bazomteka. That's talent. Moving on to Dean Hoto, keeper.
Deon Hoto awubathu upelepele obabela basendiya kwi-age yakhe mfethu.
Yeah.
Kufanele usehleli phansi akasadlali. Lo mjita mfethu for me I wonder unahlobo lwe engine ungomunye womdlali engakaze ngimbone ekhathele. uDeon Hoto uyagijima baba. Ugijima the whole 90 minutes. You understand? Yeah, lo yamjita mfethu uyaperforma. Mele sibuke ne-age mfethu i-age yakhe mfethu like njoba ngisho ukuthi ngokwe-age fanele ngakasadlali but still usagijima. Yeah, uHoto mfethu umhle kakhulu unless masizomcompare. Singamcompare simbeke nje yedwa. Yeah, uba masomcompare noNdaba simcompare nezingane sicompare indoda endala nengane but nje for me usasemhle kakhulu uHoto bafethu. Ukuthi nje kumele simbekezelele akayena uJesu angeke enze izinto ama miraculous things ukuthi sekufanele manje cha naye uzowenza amaphutha kodwa nje so far so good for me 10 out of 10 naye ngiyamnika uHoto
10 out of 10 from
yes.
keeper. Also for me, here like our defense in general, ngithola. I mean Sundowns azange ba create amathuba amaningi mawuthi ayibheka le game, you understand. Utho na who was he up against side? I don't remember Sundowns getting any joy from Nkhohliwe was on the right. But they didn't get too much joy. Ngithola bekayibambile uHoto Ndanga. What do you think of uHoto?
I was sitting no Pujabi is all.
Yeah.
I was busy telling uPujabi ukuthi mina I'm impressed ngegame yaka Hoto is all. I think uHoto izodlala kahle kakhulu and that's what I like about uHoto even if you're not getting like ama-diagonal ball but uHoto uyakhona ukusipha le line le yangithola like for Jack njengoba asho beekeeper like it's good mfethu lo muntu lo ngathi akana like ngathi akakhathali une engine ugijima
engine yempunzi
engine yempunzi and I think for the first 10 minutes we were supposed to get a goal.
Yeah.
Because like Skalekre was Komota taking the ball to the sides, who was always there? It was Hutu, and no one gave us a problem. To face no Muda on the left, because Muda
yeah.
But I think like he did a marvelous job, and I think he was up ahead. Guno Libito, he came as all from how I saw it. So I'll give you Uhoto an 8 for this week. Also, Singa Court we mentioned. Was supposed now make a good decision, Fitz. The ball is coming from the side. Now
oh, the last Pizu.
No, Fitz. It's a difficult technique. If you call it a Mr. But make better decision. We see Paula Pagati because that also was a good chance. We see Paula Pagati bad Abafan. But young Tola, he also wanted to score. But let's make better decisions. I'll give him an 8 though.
Let's make the better decisions. That's a word of the day. I won't lie. Yesterday I was impressed. No, Sitenduli as it done. Everything. I know to assist the dealing. Right. Usitenduli ndanga. Kana li double save la double shots la was save ayo ndanga. I was like, wow, because if it to let iski imshange shots ndanga ngiyangithola. And uyabona ukuthi maqeda umshaya ne ngathi uba subconscious nyana uyabuya vile uyabona ukuthi man that ball is still dangerous uyangithola he goes there to put his whole body there that blocker let is very dangerous ibekalele rathi yazi ngikawathekile bezoshaya iSundowns. I think it was going to be 2-1 at the time uyangithola that moment that's where I saw ukuthi we have a soldier here uyangithola into enjani. That's beautiful from Sitenduli mfethu bekavela nga mfethu breaking play uyangithola although offensive it didn't do much uyangithola but it's not just him, forward players in general uyangithola. What do you think of the performance yaka Sitenduli zona?
One of my favorite players ngizokutshela.
Yeah.
I cleans everything. Ayikho into ezoba lapha e-center yethu angazi ngayo Sitenduli. Everything that guy is a soldier ngithola and udlalela like i-badge.
Yeah.
Udlalela like inhliziyo yakho yonke. Uyayithanda iPirates and yasijabulisa thina ukuyibona leyo nto like the instant oyimentionala imshaya ibuso kabuhlungu.
Yes mfethu.
Ukuthi avuke futhi save uye. If you can check lapha e-center sometimes mengazenzeli mfethu. Ngiyangithola as much as uWilliam make usiphola mekathola ipace but Sitenduli was always there and into engiyithanda ngayo ukhonile ukupha uMasindi noDasile ukuthi bafana sebenzana mina ngizonimakela la. That's what he always gives us. Usitenduli uye ngamguide 10 intanga mina I'm always happy ngalezi zinto Sitenduli akazenzayo for us uyangithola. And the cleaning everything there ukuthi abanye abafana abadlale noma umsebenzi wakhe singawuboni kakhulu kodwa mina ngiyawubona. I think yesterday he had a stellar game.
Keeper Kimezolo Sitenduli umbona kanjani?
uSitenduli bhakaniya lami number 1 kufanele sikwemukele ukuthi leader naye ungomunye wabadlali okupossible ukuthi angayibamba iCaptain. Yeah, umholi lo yana mfethu. And into engimthanda ngayo akayena ugombela kwesakhe. Akafuni yonke into enhle ibe ngaye njoba lishibhakani. Yena lapha yana mfethu udlalela iBadge Pirates. Indlela engimbheka ngayo akusi umuntu othi cha ake kushayine mina ngitrend ku social media kuthiwa wow. You understand? Abanye bangaze bayitshela ukuthi akekho or bengamboni. Kanti no umjida onobu John Mweti. Ya liyabona lapha eswini mfethu lapha yana le ndoda lapha na iyapheka iengine. You understand? Iyakhona ukuvala kwi-defense noma kiwa phambili iyakhona you understand? Yeah, so muhle kakhulu uSiponduli mfethu singakubalekile ukuthi uphuma eteamini ephekayo iStelis and usuke ngale yana kade uCaptain vele. So uyayibona lento obleader ikuye so uthe dlala yena ngapha unobleader. So kulabafana abancane akabonja abadlali bepha ubona is like ubabe enganeni. You understand? Ngiyamthanda ubhuti omdala. Yeah, ubhuti omdala ngiyamthanda and ustrong. strong ne height yakhe mude ya ne ball control akusiye umuntu oluza ibhola simple even ukuphasa kwakhe akalahli mabhola malisuka kuyeli emdlalini ya ziningi izinto esingayichaza ngaye umjida into kufanele ayazi wherever la khona ukuthi no so far so good uyena oyireason singamabhakani yaSpraya yaka understand ingredient yalento esiyenza sisazobraya ngaleyo mthini sazoba mnandi impela eswini
sazoba
9 out of 10
9 out of 10
yes
cool story you think of Sihle Nduli?
Yeah, I think yesterday he had a very good game. Very crucial. Darko Medlilingi was cleaning. I think I would agree with my chance. 9 out of 10.
I mean 10.
Umkaya 10 wena. 10 ungamkaya feri yabo. He had a good game. Udlale kahle kakhulu.
Nomtantshela Masindi.
John Wick.
Masindi mfethu ufikile ku Pirates wathi hayi la kusekhaya. Asenza everything engifuna ukuyenza in this chase. Phela ntanga yesterday it was about Alende Masindi. For me that's what I saw. First half now Alende umshange kwehla Dona yaseSoweto yasho ukuthi mina kuzogcina mina la. And I think like in Tanga they had a 50-50 yangithola because Masindi got a yellow card and also Alende got a yellow card. I can't take away the fact that Alende is a good player for me and what I have seen. And I think if Masindi was not there, Alende megazozenzela. But Masindi was there. It was there fighting. Siyema utholi chance because of Masindi. Masindi mfethu is running all over. There was a time lapho mesengasekho sure ukuthi ubani odlala number 10. Umasindi megavela lapho uDansini seka drop ekhona. I'm one of the fans othanda the way Masindi adlala ngayo i-engine Masindi 414 box to box player. When you want him to play he can play, when you want him to defend he can defend, and I think le nto leyo yenza marvelous naye omunye umuntu engamuphi 10. I think uAlende la ulalazwile ukuthi umfana lo ubuya
usalele namanje akakavuki manje usalele.
I think ngamguy 10. I'm one of the guys othanda iplayer kaNomtatshela.
Keeper Nomtatshela.
Hayi bafethu angifuni ukona ukukhuluma kwebhakani yalami. Ligijima khona mfethu. Hayi lapha yana mfethu. Mhlambe before ngifika kuye mfethu kusafanele sicaciselwe kubhakani ukuthi ubani scout o mhlambe ukhona ongangitshela lapho ukuthi iscout sebhakaniya inangu asiphe nesithombe sakhe because kunamadoda asebenza emfihlakalweni simnika amaflower wakhe mfethu sike simbize nje sike shaya ibray yakhe nje fike nje sizokuthi umninda ngenyama mfethu sine scouter esisemazingeni kakhulu esicishe sifane noNkulunkulu elithi iBhayibheli uya ezaleni la kulahlwa khona fika thinta into engelutha yenze ihlale namakhosi. Yeah, so iscouter sethu sitha sifane noNkulunkulu because siye emathimini sometimes siyothatha umdlali singamazi. Yeah, yabo nje ngakubalela abadlali abaningi mfethu ombatha ngale ku-Super Sport besingabazi kangako. Odito besingabazi. Kodwa mase befika ngapha coming to uNemtatshela. Uyangunderstand? La akasuka khona mfethu umjida besingazi lutho. Only to find ukuthi siphethe ucream siphethe into eyingozi. Umjida uyingozi mfethu into engimthanda ngayo akabanga imsindo akekho ngapha. Ulapho onyaweni ukhona ndikhona enye igame engimnotice kuyo lapha yana ku eOrlando. Ukuthi nangapha kumathayithayi kulento esuke sizele thina abanye singamafan. Thina singamafan mafethu. Ya bangakhuluma nje abanye abathi lento ye-show booting what iyona into esizelayo thina kahle kahle masigcwele mawusibone stadium usigcwele kumnyama cha bafethu ayingakhishwa le yanto into esizele bafethu iyonto yenza siphuma sihleka sijabulile ngimbonile ke lo mjidi uNemtatshela ukhona uTengi lapho kuligibeleni hayi uTengi bafethu uTengi akasuthi bangizwa uyaligibela lo mjidi futhi uyabona into ophela lesizini bayobe becomputer kanjena uTito ngangaste uphethe lonke uhlobo uyadefender uyamakha emathayithayini ukhona nasekoreni futhi uyakora umjidi asawuke simzame mhlambe kwi-goalkeeping sibona ukuthi khona njani lapho maybe angashawa height but nje 10 out of 10 akanikwe bafethu uyayideserve umhle kakhulu.
You think i-decision yaka coach like is justified ukudlalisa uMasinda beke umbatha ngaphandle or
No mfethu into engicabanga ukuthi ucoach wami uyayibalekela ubalekela ukurusa kwama player. Yeah, you know sometimes umdlali uba mhle mawungamcompare. Ake singamcompare uNemtatshela noMbatha. Umbatha esayidini lakhe. Yeah, but mase sesiba compare so dala inkinga lapho. So dala inkinga. Yeah, because ukwenye level yakhe uMbatha nalo ukwenye level yakhe. It's just ukuthi uMbatha kudala sinayi. Into ekhalisa amabhakane yaphela amaningi akhaliswa ukuthi why ucoach wethu ngathi ufuna ukushanyela ischeme sakudala or abadlali bakudala faka abasha. Yeah, iyona into ebebekhala ngayo mazidliwa kule 2 games yokuqala ukuthi hayi kwangathuza nezinto ezintsha. Nami I'm one of those.
Sure.
Yeah, but mawubheka njengamanje njobe wina manje ezewina necup. Ilento ayefuna ukuqala ngayo from get go. Sakhala sathi asiyifuni. Uwina icup ngayo lento. Namanje futhi siphuza yona sidla yona. You understand? Leyo mudelo. Uvela wathi no ngizobanikeza izinto abayifuna but ngiphinde ngikhiphe. Wasinika sathi nakho. Waphinde wayikhipha njengamanje yabokwenzeka la. Sabe sithi isibhuti kuleyankala kahle. Yeah, into iremote inikwe yena. Akusizi sokhala uzokhala wena ulemsinga. Ukhala ule konquthu ukhala ukuthi awukhodi iremote ikuye umjini. You understand?
uye controller ayishade uthi umnika ngaki
Mhlaba nga 10.
10 out of 10
Yes.
Ndona
I can't dispute mfana. He had a very good game mobani. Le challenger le Alendez Mr. Mlambo was alluding I think he won it for me. Didn't see that guy doing anything apart from that first half moment. So yeah, I think big ups to Nomtatshela. He's justifying the coach's decision or Ramdladis. Yeah, he's fighting for his place.
Moving on, keeper to Umuremi Zolo.
Hey. Kumuremi mfethu into engaqala ngisho ngithi wemremi mfethu nkabi yami. Ake ngixolisele mfethu amajida ay akudoubt mawusafika. Ngiyawaxolisela amabhakaniya because kuye kwaba khona ukumdoubt. Yeah, abanye baze bambuka mfethu. I remember ngesinye isikhathi befuna ukumculela nakho baze batoyitoya abafana bangafune kwangoma. Sathi mase sesiyipopo into yakhona sathola ukuthi babagcwaliselela lento abayenze umremi bembuka bethu umremi this but usiprove wrong. Yeah, so mfowethu siyaxolisa lixhoshwa libhekile. Yeah, kumremi mfethu ngicabanga namaZulu ayasho la ekhona konke adayisa into wrong. Yeah, adayisa into wrong into kwangamelanga bayidayise kumremi mfethu siwina umChina or siwina ilotho. Siphethe umdlali lapha na engicabanga ukuthi njengamanje kumabhakane amaningi onhliziyo zawo zayinamathele kakhulu kusalingi athi ukuxola manje. You understand? Not ukuthi usalingi sithi yabonga ukuthi hayi siyaxola manje sithi ukukhohlwa kancane ukuthi usalingi akekho. Lo yamjithu uyakufaka ukushisa. Number 1 uyagijima. Number 2 igoli uyalishaya. You understand? Ngimthandela lokho nje and usasemncane nokudriblana uyadriblana. Umjita uyadriblana awuyi fanele ube sober moya lapha yana mfethu ube careful obuzodibana nenkinga mfethu. Yeah, no umjita muhle kakhulu for me. Hayi naye ngiyamhlaba. Mhlaba number 10 muhle kakhulu. Number 10 ufalo 10 for nothing. Yeah. Ngiyawudisha nje lo 10. Yeah.
Mr. Blambo, what did you think of Muremi yesterday?
I think Muremi had a beautiful game. Even like first half, him and Napolis, they were the ones who were promising to score. And the Bayatolana, that's what is nice. And what I like about Muremi, uyashaya ebhaleni. Makevela like akahesitate ukuthi uzolokuloka yenzeni, uyashaya. And just to add from the keeper guy shit, alaphaya ndanga swini lotho. And even no mangana game elimnandi, we want him to be there because we know ukuthi is someone dangerous. And when I checked kumasapo wethu, I didn't think kune winger or someone ozongena replace yena no Apolis. And I think he had a decent game done. I wouldn't give him a 10 but I think udlale kahle kakhulu izolo. I 8 ngamkhaya.
8, yeah. Ghost.
Yeah, Remy, I think he's one of our go-to players now. When we want a goal now, sesibheka kuyo ukuthi where's Mremi, yabo. So yeah, I think Izolo didn't get a lot of chances as much as I would have loved. So yeah, yeah, maybe ngamka 7.
7.
Yeah, yeah.
Was you could see even like game asetofela mntana like ube invisible inyana. I didn't see him doing much ngithola.
Yeah.
I game sezophela. I was surprised when I saw coach
Atonsa Police.
Atonsa Police and Mremi was still there. I was like, but maybe he thought, or maybe with his pace, maybe can
Sure.
get a chance ngithola and try something.
But okay, not go on.
Nita.
No, like our Sapia Police, man. But we will get to it.
Yeah, we jumping into it. That police.
Yeah, no, but I don't like it. You don't Sapa Police.
yeah.
That's our massive.
Sure.
Yeah, that man to
A peg.
yeah, you'll come up with something. One thought. Yeah, that's just what I wanted to say. Like, don't Sapa Police, coach. Yeah, mute.
Apolice ilabantu mfethu uthi noma ngabe kuthiwa ulimele or wheelchair umphushe ngewheelchair umfake phakathi. Yeah, umenze izinto zenze hayi lamjita mfethu hayi khona. Yeah, is like igame negame ya improve. Yeah, into engithanda ngaye ke manje usegene ubconfident.
Yeah.
Ibhola kalididilisi noma kanjani. Enuyawa lapha. Lapha uyawa lapha mfethu. Lo yamjita mfethu and manje uwenzani? Usenza i-team ezidlala nayo kube ngathi ine red card ya short because manje sebembhaso bhenga lendlela ukuthi mayebamba ibhola kuza 3 or 2 le 2 akazoyiwisa you understand so manje lento ikanjani is like ba focusa kuye laba abanye bethola i-chance you understand ngimthandela lokho nje manje ukuthi uyi-magnet ya uyi-magnet mayiqale ebamba ibhola bezala abathi igqiqi phansi uthola ukuthi ubane omremi manje seba free qa lapha sazobuya kodwa hayi
and ngiyathanda i-combination yakhe nomremi mfethu like mfethu every game mfethu these guys mele batholane 1 or 2 times angithola ntanga like bayatholana mfethu like even yesterday
uyavela lamshiya yangithola
Sure.
but njengoba asho uPikipa Police mfethu is confident now he's on another level and na izolo medlala neSundowns kodwa yena kanandaba
Yeah.
ukuthi sidlala nani he doesn't play the occasion he plays the football akayazi and danga lo yamjita lo yandanga is too much it's on another level in terms of normal like anga creator like he was not creative based on the last 3 games
Yeah.
but because of the game evalekile but mina I think leya player leya mayiphethe ibhola for thina amabhakaniya siyajabula ukuthi naku khona okuzayo.
Yeah.
Understand? I think yesterday he had a decent game. But mina I'll say ezinye ama player wethu abadlalanga kamnandi kakhulu izolo because of how the Sundowns like from 70 minutes it was like they were settling for like i-1-1 yangithola because lonke ibhola abadlalayo badlalele afini yabo so kunalesikhathi lesi game esingaboni ukuthi kuyenzakalani.
Yeah.
I'm like overall like intanga udlale kahle kakhulu naye ngizomnikeza njengomremi yangithola ngomkayi 8.
Yeah. Already Apoli man and I'm impressed with like his strength sakhe ndanga like he can able to hold players and for his body step omncane mfethu uPoli ngithola but we swerve uyagayira ngakhona ngithola and as you said beekeeper it seems like kwelinye nelinye game uya elevator mfethu I mean it's scary mfethu and you can put him on the left mfethu he gives the same thing. Now he made space for Mremi, went to the right. And he still does the same thing. The other day, coach put him there who false 9. Young Tol, he was still doing the same thing. So that's a quality player of it, young Tol. As long as he niki ball of it, do to be a right back, left back. Ngizobonisa ukuthi idlalwa kanjani, young Tol. Beautiful one from Polipoli. And then moving on to the player that made the headlines with Ansi Dizolo. Obviously,
Let them dance.
Yeah?
But he let them dance.
Let them dance.
Yeah.
So I like it now for you, Pagani, for you. We were shocked. I won't lie, I was shocked as well. You know?
Yeah.
And before the goal, mfethu, I was still frustrated, mfethu. Like if to like ushaya era baya for me, I don't
Yeah.
know how you guys saw that, but I was really frustrated, but makashayile kakhulu ntangavele ngakhohlwa konke mfethu yathi. Tanzi yakutshela.
Let them dance.
Let them dance. How did you see it? That's it.
Marvelous player. I don't take away the fact that the boy is good. Ngiyangithola the boy technical nangendlela akhule ngayo ngokwebhola. Ukhulele endaweni right. You understand? But I still say I don't think like ukuthi coach amfake it was a good decision so. But obviously ngihlale ngisho coach uJima nabo abafana yazi. But I think maybe angafaka maybe a Tito or what. Uboy lela game lela it was a game elikhulu ntaba. Game elikhulu for him to start. But ucoach uyamthemba. Shukuthi khona izinto akazenzayo ejimini thina singazazi.
Yeah.
Decision making ngizophinda ngisho kuye. Don't hold on to the ball sometimes kakhulu. Just pass the ball. I think uyasho ndanga ukuthi ngikana ama error ayenzayo but after the goal phele konke.
Yeah. Yo.
Ikhona nokusho lizovela kuPuskas aseke.
Haleluya ntanga. And in fact, you know what really impressed me? Ukuthi ushaye ngo left le.
Weaker foot, yeah.
Hey, no.
Technically the boy is good in fact.
Yo, mfethu, I wasn't expecting that kind of goal, mfethu.
Even I thought they shapile into mfethu.
You know kenzakeleni kimi like manje eqeda ukukora kuze. Ngidlele phamba. Ngifile ngathi urefu ujajile or what? Because ushayile uyema umbonile uyenzeni.
Stand fast.
Yeah.
Then the goal ngiyabona uboy celebrate. I'm happy for the boy. Angithola nama was one of those ukuthi uboy akumele adlale.
Yeah.
The timing was right.
Yeah.
The boy shoot was supposed to play and give us whatever he gave us. And what I like, that goal is going to give him a confident buy.
Yeah.
I'll give the boy. I was supposed to give the boy a 5 average, but for the goal, it's only point. I'll add it 3. So maybe 8 to boy.
Yeah. What did you make of his celebration? What was he trying to say? Eh?
No, he was saying the fans because ngibonile uqale wathi angithola.
Yeah.
He's a young boy. Angifuni ukusho izinto engingazazi but like first thing first this I understand with negative.
Yeah.
But what I liked make yenza so.
Yeah.
Or maybe nokuthi he can say it to Sundowns fans because we not on our home.
Yeah.
Siku Sundowns.
Yeah.
Can you hear what I've just done? He can do that, but angazi. I do not want to ukuthi ngikhuluma izinto engazazi. But what I liked, make yenza so Sukman mapakani we got our goal.
Yeah. For me, you know, my initial thought was that Magayenza saw. And I was amazed to how comes maybe he heard rumors maybe people are not happy to see in the starting lineup and so ufuna ukuzwa vele labo bosho kanjalo ngithola but that's what I was just thinking but as well bengicabanga ukuthi but le information ifike kanjani kuye ngaspeed so you know but you know at this day and age ama social media and what mhlambe ngithola but I don't know it was just interesting to see him doing this ngithola keeper, what did you make of uDansini as well?
Engakusho ngoDansini ya asilikhulumela iqiniso bafethu ukumbona kwi starting lineup sidawuthile abaningi sidawuthile bafethu siyalikhuluma iqiniso nami am one of those ngimdawutha ngani ngokumcompare lento ngithi sometimes ukucompare umdlali nomunye umdlali ya yona into ebuyishaye singabalandeli ngokuthi simcompare nani ubani noMbatha yeah so uma simbona ku starting lineup against team njenge Sundowns besinga expectanga next that is why ngithi mina if akakoranga lela goal ngana manje sisakhala because into evela ngaye nje evelayo njoba sichaza ilela goal okunye kwelami side akukho ngaphandle kwale ya lightning lightning akusili goal azimfethu ngihlezi ngikhala ngokuthi mangise stadium amagoli amaningi angiwaboni and ngijethi mawulubuka ku TV la ulibona kho bengiqala ungaliboni igoli ku TV ukuzwa bengiqala ungaboni igoli libuka ku TV benize ngasizwa islow motion mase sebeletha ngathi wona because yazi mangicheck bengithi ila mabhola afike eshaya ngemuva kwepala buya zoshaya inethi ngemuva yabona
Oh,
ifike lidlule liyoshaya libuye ishaya insimbi esemuva bengithi into kanjalo ngoba sobabili no Rowan sididekile sobabili ngoba likwasanayo mongambuza yemula kwenzekaleni into nje ethi indlulile into seyibuma ngala abantu sebethi sebejabula abantu ya ngokwegoli mfethu yilona goli mfethu elenza ukuthi sixole otherwise mfethu hayi leya game 14 bekumele angene mhlambe ezesapho you understand ya ngoba nangokweyigameka ayikho into engakanani akayenzile for me ayikho ngikhumbula wenzeni engakanani asimcrush but akunanto engakanani akayenzile except lela goal elisibuyele ne1 point from away i1 point uyithole ekhambeni i1 point engafani namanye i1 point yase Woolworth semazingeni kakhulu so what I can say ukuthi no umjida sibonga nje isibindi because naye mawungambuza ukuthi wakwalishayini or ekubuzwe nje mfethu bowuthi uzama kwenzani bewenzani la you understand I don't think wakwashayini nje lela goli lana bafethu akudingeki vote akudingeki kuvote ukuthi cha I goal of the season leliyana masifuna ukuphikisana isiqedelana amadata but nje makukhulu fans akusavotwa I goal of the season bangamnika imali yakona aqala ukuyihlafuna khona manje alike igoli mfethu kuzofika lapha yana you understand out of 10 umjida hayi ngamhlaba noma nga6 ngamhlaba nganga6 umjida muhla asimcrush but usakhula and no coach eBasopa angamfaki deep emagameni nje ingane ezikhona ukuthwala ipressure yegame yizingane engezwe ifana nomfugeni o president bama2K abakhona ukuthwala ipressure yegame lo mfana mncane for le pressure izolo mncane ishaza ukuthi naye ebengenayo right ukuthi coach ayi awume kancane athi ngihlale kancane awufaka umbatha ngizoqala ngitandisha igame esengena mabethi ngena wangena but now uyalazi ukuthi le game be too much for you
that's too much I wish I could keep on fit because before he came mina trade him for a 4-3 ngithola but after that goal mfethu I can easily get a 6 ngithola so at least ngithola and then uMakgopa Ntanga
One tonight, one assist. I always say the presence in that guy. More is a grounding Ntanga, you can feel good to say grounding. But whatever I'm going to say, the decision making was not making right decisions because he was finding himself in good spaces. I'll tell you about the 10-minute lecture. There was a two. It was the baller center. Take the ball to the sides, run to the post. Mbutuma always does that. Solid goal. He's not doing that. People it's not a good decision. It's not a good decision. I think he played well. He find himself in good places, but make better decisions. Like game lies or so you win better decision. And what I like about Amapagania Kalakala, say I manje uvelile on the side, washaya on left. It was a good like shot there. I think he plays so well, but make better decisions. Don't try. Ball is coming from the right. Take the ball to the left. Let's do ball rotation. Not ball from the right and he's still going back to the right. It's unnecessary. But I think Udalega cool is all. I'll give him a 7. But make better decisions.
We begile. I don't know. Keep anything to add down Makgopa?
Njoba leshibhakaniya uMakgopa mfethu ngicabanga njengamanje sekufanele sikwemukele singamabhakani ukuthi asingam expect kakhulu ekora naye emqondweni wakhe bosho usekufakile ukuthi akasekho kwabakorayo usengene kulabo abacreateayo or ma assist uzoba angaba assist of the season but ekoreni akekho lapho bafethu mayikori luko futhi makore yena nizokwazi nizowina ke lapho uba negoli lakhe likaveki into engimthandela yona umjida mfethu we are creator, that's number 1. Yes ubalwa as a striker but emagolini akusi umuntu wamagoli mawumcheka malifikile another thing ngimthandela ukhuthela umjida akavilaphi ukhuthela umjida uma kuyikhona uyasinceda ngeheight yakhe, uyadefender, uyacreator, i-hard worker. Ungikhumbuza umdlali wababethi ulelo mbhele. Hey, sike saba nenye inkunzi malanga phela babethulelo mbhele owayekhuthele edelibe yonke into kodwa mase kufanele akona lise le. You understand? Ya ulo muntu loyo okhuthele like ungathi uzela ukufukuza. Yeah, uyabona kubethiwa lento yokuconverta umdlali from position ethile umisa ngangiyamconverta ngimise emva. Ayo defend ngibona ukuthi kungenzekalani
Keeper. Yeah, uyalibona idisk.
Yeah, because ekoreni bafethu ngiyakutshela mina ekoreni bafethu akekho ekoreni kodwa kufukuzeni ukhona umjini nasekhe ibhola malifike kuye khohlwa angeke naye unabo apolice. Uyathindana na awuzi kabi uyathindana
Ungajaha.
like uyadribbla yakudribula yabo njengomabasa umabasa ungaphela isizwe ngambonanga ewisi defender mawaza akadribblani umabasa umabasa ilo muntu okufanele umfukuzele umnike the time umabasa ezoba i-top goal scorer kwakuthophe usaling. You understand? Osaling ababenza yonke lento umabasa umuntu wembuzi uyahamba uzingela uyivusa inyamazana umnike ahlabe ekudliwa into kanjalo but ukuthi ungathola umabasa nje ebamba ibhola eyoqonda idefend hayi khodwa yeah but yena nje amagolini umabasa umuntu ozomfika umshiye eboxini nisebenze nemnike elokuzana uma hopa kusiyelo umuntu loyo uma bazi ukuthi ayolanda le no man uskomota uma hopa into yenze ugcwala iground lonke. Yeah, gcwale ground lo. And enye into okusafanele engisafuna ukizwa kini mabhakani ukuthi lapha kwaBhakaniya ubani owabhena itrack ezu2 ngesikhathi esisodwa.
Eish. Wazibhena kanjani?
Like
442.
Oh 442.
Sike sibone ngisafisa ukubona ukuthi kunyenzekalani. Beke bengene Bhakaniya beke bengene
Ngesikhathi esisodwa.
Ngesikhathi esisodwa ngifuna ukubona kunyenzekalani.
Into engidlala ngiyikalela yazi. More especially okay, hamba nda.
Mina ngicela ukumphendula I think ibhola le revolving nangendlela ibhola eshintshe ngayo because if unganothisa angithi kudala mangabe udlala ngeyitrike eziyi2 sho ukuthi naphakathi emidlilini uzodlala ngabantu abayi2 which is mekuba like number 6 no number 8 bahamba bonke babuya bonke. If unganothisa ibhola lamanje if ungadlala ngeyitrike eziyi2 uhlala uwazi ukuthi lapha emidlilini bazokudla emidlileni. So that's why ubone sekudlala istrike ezi1 akusibhakaniya kuphela if ungabheka like all over the world sekudlalwa ngestrike esi1 manje because of ibhola le revolvile and nangendlela ibhola elifast ngalo manje. I think that's why lento yestrike ezi2 seyingasekho.
Yeah, ngiyakuzwa vele evolvile. But for me I'd like to see coach mhlambe like if we lose him mhlambe bo1-0 you understand that is boma yes is boma 70 minutes 65 minutes ngithola faka yena uMahopa noMabasa ndo ngithola into enjani faka mfethu ngithola into enjani
25 minutes yona
cause ndanga yazi ibheke kanjani ibheke ukuthi mhlambe cause amanye ama game awafani ngithola uthola ukuthi 45 minutes bengekho into esiyenzayo. Second half to first 15 minutes to yazama you can still see or there's nothing ngithola. Why don't you shit like if to mix things up ngithola into enjani faka le track ezithi silale ngama long ball ngithola into enjani. Mina I'm for that but not always ngithola. Obviously must lose and then you want to come back again. How do you think Ghost? Two strikers.
I mean, I also like the idea, and I think even in modern football, unga incorporate that easily, because now monga pega it's ama left back nama right back aya overlap, so you can even have your wingers by invert bazokusiza middle. Yeah, understand. Yeah, because you always have those guys kamodi flanking.
Yes.
So I think it can work. Definitely, just need bravery, someone who can try.
Bravery, sure.
No, if ngizama ukuphendula ikeeper la. You must know if we playing it like eziyi2 that means we defensively we have 6. You get what I'm saying?
Not 3.
We have 6. Not 3. We have 6. Snama wingers, they are on top. We have our strikers, they are on top. We have 6 already. Abantu abazo defend. against 7. And if you can check, man, Jipola Liwina in the middle of the park, not on the sides. Shukuthi le nto angakayisho ukuthi kuzomela edlale nge-second ball phela. If you have 2 strikers, ngeke sisusa ibhola, sisusa ibhola like isishaya ibhila. Kuzomela silahle ibhola and we play on the second balls. That's
Yeah.
what I see.
Yeah. That's exactly the way. I mean, that's exactly the way you explain ngakhona ukuthi ngeke ufuna ukudlala itikitaka ushort midfield. Unguvya simple you gonna get outplayed, uyangithola. Imele ulahle ama long throwing amakhona kulawo la khona ama dead ball, uyangithola idivision. Because those guys they was cause chaos if uyangithola.
I mean, ngibona kanjalo beekeeper ngazi ngiphendulile lokho.
Yeah, kodwa noma singawina singamabhakaniya still lapha yana ku department ye striker usasenenkinga bafethu namanje amagoli siyawakora kodwa manje kufanele sigese ukuthi namhlanje mhlambe singakorelwa ubani sometimes uthwasho uzoqhamuka nombukazi of which is wrong. Uyabona ibhola bafethu sibuya mawuphethe mawuyemumva yebo futhi kuyoba ne striker lemsababa la kwa PSL ebeyigadwa mfethu uyabona masikhuluma ngontofonto Mbesuma mfethu oma ke yena kwaphela igame engakoranga uMbesuma iman of the match sifuna uhlobo lweyitrike kanjalo osomdenja mfethu okwaziwa kahle ngoba nje kwalala uyidefender kulomuntu lo liphakathi oDennis Lota chisa mpama oLeslie Manyathela asinabo abantu abanjalo mfethu ziphi itrike ezokenje zithi cha mfethu ngisafuna ukuvusa into yakudala ake nje ngimela ngingapangibhayizelwa njengoRafiq Chuphuchu wonke ubabhayizele laba bantu mfethu wonke ubabhayizele mfethu abantu ababekora igame iphelile uyangana asinazo thina itrike ezikanjalo yabo nje umabaza angeke uthathe ithemba lakho libeke angeke uthathe ithemba lakho libeke kuSkomoda uthuke korile mfethu ekorile ukorile uyanganderstand kuparetse nje ukuthi team yethu itop ngalendlela ukuthi abadlali bethu esinabo even ama defender ayakora you understand but sisafuna istrike esingozi mfethu.
But don't you think Umbuthuma can be that striker mfethu?
Into engizama ukumphendula.
Yeah, uMbuthuma nyamthanda mfana usasemncane yes but naye unakho ukugcwala iground lonke. Yeah unobuzeze mina ngifuna into ezomala
Uyalikhale.
Yeah because sometimes uthola ukuthi uyofuna ibhola ethe sawulifuna emva lifika phambili akunamuntu. Uyanganderstand yonke sishaya uphela ngomabasi ibhola mfethu ulokuzana manje uSkomoda liyafika eboxini alitholwa kunamuntu uSkomoda uphi kade yophanda lemva lithola ibhola kufika lapha kuna sifuna istriker mfethu esothi noma sifukuza kodwa sifukuzele khona around.
Yeah. But I really think Umbuthuma, like when you compare him to Mabasa and when you compare him to Skomoda, he's the one who most of the times is always there trying to sniff it in and then
uzofuna simbekezelele umjida and uyena vele uzosethela bona la majida relax kakhulu yabona masikhuluma ngamadoda mfethu athole ithuba futhi ayothi akuyothi masekuthiwa izinto ziyabheda bangakhali uyabona uMabasa uMakhopha abeka abantu abathola ithuba njengalaba balitholile ithuba labajida mfethu uyanganderstand namanje nje uMabasa ngakhala amayidla amaayisi uwadlela into ekhona walithola ithuba umjida wadlala ngalo uyabona ayikho into elahle lapha ebholeni lethu njengob top goal scorer bulahlile mfethu I wish ngake ngireverse iminyaka ngibuyele entsimini ngiyoyithathela lapha ngayigoqela top goal scorer ngama 9 goals ay something is not right baqala ukudlala mfethu thina saza ama top goals ngamagola u23 nazoke ingwenya hayi ngamapenalty uMabasa ubeke ngamaphena akuwa bantu mina ngifuna idefender ngifuna istriker esiwisa umuntu mina yabona uMbesuma bebethimele beke ngapha ka left uzokudla na uyoze yongena nakho nasoke istrike.
That's true Skomoda won't do that. Mabasa won't do that. Abombesuma they used to eat ngamatepini also some like if it's a beautiful rocket out of nowhere yangithola intonyana and they were able to shield ama defender yangithola going njengobusho baze bafike emapolweni
into ubhakaniya lami ubhayizelwe ngama current player abadlala abakhona uzukhumbula abadlala abahamba
Eish.
Uke wabona ukuthi bafethu ngendlela abake besibhayizele ngayo lapha phambili size sikhumbule ngisonzuka manje. Ngiyakutshela mina ukuthi unzuka manje lo wamkhipha uthi hayi unjani njani. Mase umthatha uthi ukhumbule yena. Uma omabasa nomskomota mase bekwenzela into zabo bengasafuni ukhumbula umuntu wamlahla. You understand?
Usukuba.
Ngiyakhuluma mabhakani I will tend to differ. I'll still say this ibhola lishintshile.
Yeah.
Understand because ukuthi singene si11 egroundini it means something. You understand? Yes, singathanda ukuthi istrikers zikhohe kakhulu because umsebenzi wabo. Maka like ngifila ngathi thina like ku Pirates currently we're not short of goals. Ukuthi we're not scoring goals. Because if you notice this season siloko siyawina because we don't concede and amagoli eswina ngawo i3 no creator se creator kahle ukuthi nje uSkomota noMbuthuma and also Mabasa they should score nabo babonise ukuthi badlala striking force kodwa mina ngifila ngathi ngendlela ezidlala ngayo izidlala kahle kakhulu and amagoli esinawo manje enough.
Yeah. No, it's not kahle vele nta.
It's enough mfana.
And they are not enough.
They are not enough.
Awekho enough.
They are not enough.
How many goals have we scored from the league this season us? And I think maybe he just namagoli amaningi ukudlula bonke.
Yeah, but manje ukhawunta namagoli ombokazi.
I don't think so.
Ukhawunta namagoli ombokazi.
I don't think
Bengamelanga
so.
ifike
It's
lapho.
we don't score.
Bengamelanga ifike lapho.
Nah, we don't score. I don't think we is number 1 kumagoli enta.
No, we are not.
Let's check. You know.
I'm sure it's Sundowns.
Yeah, man, sebalandela. Asikho kubi.
Nah.
Cabanga kusuke nawo nasi spin point lesi. Saqhamuka la siqhamuka khona sazothatha igoal score. Namanje futhi kubukhona lo. Ebezophinda lo repair. Ebezoyiqhuba. Sifuna uhlobo njalo bafethu.
Yeah.
Yeah, sifuna uhlobo olunjalo nakithi. Sibe nomuntu sithi emenkulu bafethu siyadinga ukuthi sibe nenkulu. Mina ngifuna usomdenje.
Yeah.
Into ozoyisaba ngisho isebhenchini. Kwazi ukuthi mangene yona mfethu. Khonto ezokwenzeka.
Yeah.
Njengomjomane noma ngababonanga kodwa ngiyezwe mangifunda kahle umlando wakho ukuthi leyangwenya leyana mfethu. Bowuyilande emshadweni mfethu ishiya amakhekhe ishiya yonke into. Ibuye izokora iThekwini. Sifuna lolo hlobo kanjalo. You understand? Not ukuthi sobala ukuthi siwine ngo5-0 umbokazi ushaya 2 usiyema washaya 2 elinye on goal. Hayi bafethu no.
Ayina network yazi. Ayina network. So you check.
Yeah.
And then moving on to Tito Maswanganyi.
I think Tito Ndenga, that's why that game was frustrating.
Yeah.
I mean, we saw a game because introduction Tito Nombuthuma badlala ngizobafaka kwethu because mekungadlala.
Yeah.
In 70 minutes there was no football which was played there. Because Sundowns medlalela yafinyawo nathi masiyithola we couldn't even make amatashes up.
Yeah.
So I would just say average for Tito there was nothing much which the boy did. And also na Nombuthuma ngabafaka like on the same color.
Yeah.
There was nothing much which they did.
Yeah. Both of them keeper. Did you see anything from Tito and Buthuma?
Njobe lishe phakane yalami no. Bangene vele igame bese seyidrope kakhulu. Yeah, ungena kwabo ayikho into kade usazoyibona abazoyenza no. Not ukuthi abenza ngalutho but nje is like umqondo wama team wonke kade sewumukele nje ukuthi nje asithathe 1.1 point. So nabe ngathi bangene bazojoina leyo nto ukuthi hayi no vele la sesiphushela ukuthi singaconcede singakodi sihlephulelane bethathe 1 sithathe 1. Yeah, and enye into ngotito uka notice yini ukuthi uma iform ibanjwe uTito siyawina once kwa dropper yena siyadliwa. Yeah, uTito usephenduke ngazi ngizoyibeka kanje. Yes. Yeah, uma kuke iform yabanjwa yena siyawina and kwa dropper yena siyadliwa. Yeah, sithanda singathandi.
That's true.
Yeah, uTito yona njini yethu uma kuye kwabheda yena kubhedile. Yeah, so kufanele simkhuthaze than ukuthi silwe naye. Yeah, and I know ukuthi umuntu naye bafethu isizini esibuya kuyo isizini bekuyisizini yakhe wetito njengamanje kunezinye inkalakathe ezimenyezwayo engicabanga ukuthi naye njengomuntu mfethu akafili kamnandi kumenyezwe ezinye inkalakatha phela lento yokumemeza abadlali mawuthatha uyibheka kahle kahle iqale ngayo Tito noma sewuzwa nangale emazebheni sekumenyezwa bamemeza ngeni ngoba bezwe kumenyezwa ngapha ya so naye mayeza ukuthi sekuphela 2 games engamenyezwanga instead amenyezwe bathi awutita kahlale phansi iyamlimaza le yanto only to find ukuthi uyena breadwinner yeah and uyena breadwinner uma ke kwaqina yena phela siqinile mfethu ya into yethu ofanele siyenze umjito ukuthi ukuthi ngathi uphelelwa ipower simbooste sifaka ama jumpers umlilo ushisa uTito bafethu hayi ingwenya leyana bafethu ngaphandle ukuthi ngiyithanda ingwenya nje cha uTito ingwenya yeah
hayi ingwenya and then kwaiba keeper complainer
Why?
cha not like ngiya complainer ngokwaiba
I think bunga complain
no into engikhala ngayo mfethu uthi umjita uhlale kakhulu ebenchini yeah so if bebemtesta or bebembuyisa bengamela bambuyise ngegame njengale yana kube kunabantu abafana nabo Ombule ngaphandle uMaster Chef you understand yabo nje igame izolo beyimdinga uMaster Chef beyimdinga uNkwayiba sisazombona asase maningi amagame asazoba khona kunama game la ngizokutshela ukuthi akungankwayibeka ke manje kodwa leyizolo cha naye umjita mfethu for sure umangela ukuthi ngifitha kanjani ekudlaleni igame njengale akajwayelanga ukudlala and ne capacity izolo kunabadlali mfethu abasahlula iCrowd yeah abasahlula iCrowd umsindo nje thothi umdlalo omunye uyisukela le koStellenbosch kade idlalela be u500 ama-fender 500 babemiza umuntu ele ethi Nkwayiba uyezwa lapha yana mfethu kuduma ngathi usemgodini wenyusi you understand so abanye abadlali kunzima mfethu ukalaza nje abukuthi kumnyama la you understand abantu abanjengoNkwayiba mfethu angakuthatha uNkwayiba uyomfaka kuSoweto Derby yeah mzame kulama game amancane again le confident okay kuyadlaleka yeah but le izolo no igame bengafanele angene lapha yana mina angihlaba uNkwayiba ngihlaba ucoach yeah ungathatha ingane ifake deep eingwenyeni yeah bekufuneka ingwenya lapha yana Master Chef abantu asebejwayela ukuthi kuphekwa kanjani sometimes besizoyipheka besingayipheka ngayo la last minute yakho uNkwayiba but anyway angithi uNkwayiba wrong no umjita siyamthanda naye sizombekezelela njengabanye yeah but nje into engimcelela yona ku coach abangamfaki emagemini a too deep for yena if ungayibeka kanjalo out of 10 hayi hlaba noma nge5
average yeah I think it's fair it didn't have too much yeah
ngimamele ngithi angukho ukuthi kunye engakusho Kwayiba didn't do anything wrong
yeah
because last time udlala against yona Sundowns if you yakhumbula azamfaka le 5 minutes ubuyisa kuyo futhi I think he was not supposed to play bakhona Master Chef
I like if it like a coach to man is he trying to send a message or something if it goes like really if it took you dance Kwayiba Irnal bombatha bo Master Chef uDlamini nje badlala mfethu this guy
I think he's justifying himself
like mfethu vela like
sizowasebenzisa wonke lama player awumkhumbula sho kanjani
yeah
trying to prove le philosophy le yakathunayo but sometimes I think timing yakhe is not good you understand you must think ukuthi moyenza izinto ila game la izolo futhi mekudinga ingwenya because Master Chef had a point to prove yesterday against Sundowns Sundowns uyakhumbula ukuthi baphi ku Master Chef so manje udlala ne Sundowns ufuna ukubahla
bezobagcwalisela
ufuna ukubagcwalisela is having a point to prove Master Chef lapha understand but Kwayiba is just an average performance
so ulokuzana ke yini umsebenzi ka Mr Ncikazi
that's
uMandla
always ask uMandla ukuthi phela uMandla uye naye kumele abonise ucoach ukuthi hayi coach asenze kanje
yeah fanele bebonisana mayengafuni ukuboniswa uMr Ward uzoba nenkinga yeah because into esikhalela singamabhakaniya bafethu hayi kabi angeke siwine yes wonke ama game but siphethe lonke ithulusi you understand siphethe by the way sibafana bafana yeah sithi sidlala lapha sibe siqalaza America sibafana bafana futhi si country you understand izolo bekufanele siwine ngo 3-1-4 lapha you understand yena wathatha abadlali no angazami ucoach uprove point uprovela ama fan into ngikutshele between ucoach umehluko between ucoach ne fan
yeah
ifan is permanent ngiyakutshela baba yeah noma ngabe
Coach,
kuthiwa
my
impela uyinkalakatha ke wena udlalele phesheya ucoacha ngazi uke wacoacha nasezulwini but ihloniphi fan because yabo njengami ngiyibhikipha waya kwabhakani yangiyindawo kuyotshintsha ucoach 20 times ngikhona la yeah kufanele ucoach uzehlisa ipride yehlisa umamele yeah and ucoach kuyafuneka ukuthi beke beziphi isikhathi not ukuthi behlale ku social media but bemamele beke be subscribe nabo la ko Pirates Fan TV bezwe ukuthi sithini mayingezwa bemi interpreter yeah kube khona akazokuthatha because khaloni zethu khona ngakufunda you understand mayizothi yena uNdlova iphikiso yemfowethu uyingozi umlandeli
temporary
yeah
that's true and I agree with you fit I don't know ukuthi coach bekazabukenzani so I'm just glad ukuthi at least you got a point from that game if besidliwe le game mfethu i-outrage amabhakane mfethu manje yeah ngabe mfethu kuyafiwa no mfethu ngithola because that game mfethu it's a game, it's a very important game. Awuthatha ama chance lapha. And then moving on to our fans, we were not at the stadium atmosphere, but it looked like majority bekuyibhakani
yeah nelitswile libhakani
because before the game but babhani bare Sundowns bought all the tickets.
Yeah,
give it to Sundowns fans.
They did. I can. They don't. There's no fans. So should be keep what by 57. Bazovakaya amanya i47,000, i45,000 bazowati. But kunaba wabuyisela estradini vela amabhakani azowathola ngezinye indlela. Uyabo. Yeah, I think the tactics sabona diaspana. They don't have fans.
They don't have fans.
They don't have fans.
They don't have fans. Out of 10 fans ebhakani, the atmosphere 100
You saw the center line.
Center line, yeah.
That's why it's ngakhala mfethu abanye bangathi ucoach njani but we understand because they are fans. Wonke intango umuntu masihamba buza ugosi ngimtshela ukuthi ngibona ibhakani estradini.
Sure.
Wonke umuntu ndango ugqoka iskipa sebhakani.
Yeah.
You get to see ukuthi abantu bayayithanda le team ngithola and whether awuyangi stadium whether mosesontweni nathi whether mumukele endlini yami nama fans ebhakani I always give them
100%. Yeah. Keeper.
Yeah, kunjalo bafethu when it's come to indabeni zama fan. Ama fan we Pirates ayarocka mfethu. Yeah, so indaba yamathikithi kade ine question mark because abaningi bakhale ngokuthi within just 1 hour betha amathikithi aphumile already asephelile. So sonke besifuna ukwazi ukuthi kuyongena obani lapha and besicabanga ukuthi hayi bawanikeze yona iSundowns ukuthi nakhona beyizongena abantu abawu53 you understand 57 khona lapha yeah but mase sesiyibuka igame bekumnyama kusho bengathi le game ila Orlando so sithi salute kuma fans we Pirates ngokuthanda iqembu labo ngalendlela even away yeah and this thing iyacaca ukuthi njengamanje singamabhakaniya if uyibhakaniya lase Gauteng angisaboni ukuthi sewungazi uforced uthatha imali yezingane zokuthi ziye esikolweni ngoJanuary uforstelwe ukuye egamini yase Cape Town.
Yeah.
iPirates is everywhere. Ngamanye amazwi mfethu even isithini esila eGauteng singabapha abase Cape Town ya game sithi mabhakaniya simeleni bayogcwalisa inkundla yasemzini. So asikho isidingo sokuthi ngaze kube ne traffic kuthiwa manje abantu base Durban abasakhonanga ukungena eMoses Mabhida ngendaba yethu suke la. Not to say ukuthi masinga travel but iPirates ngendlela engakhona sikuprovile ukuthi nanoma ngathiwa asiyanga kwenye province kuleyo province leyo zikhona inkalakade ezosimela ePitoli besingayanga thina but ubonile bekunjani kugcwele nswi. So indlela amabhakaniya enenza ngayo bafethu elenizwe ingakho ngithi ayisekho ibrand stand okufanele ihlale egarage ama brand stand awahlale ngaphandle ayigeze ukhothwa inja nethe ivula kuphela qa isizini enyama kuyabraya kumnandi ezweni silo siyasaseka
silo sakho saseka
siyasaseka madoda ngisasho namanje ukuthi bafethu nina ma owner baphathi bama butchery sicela sponseni bafethu ngenyama singamabhakaniya kufanele sisponsorishwe ngenyama nje ngoba inkinga nje siphelelwa inyama mfethu siyanona mfethu ama-blue ayaqina sesiwabhobosa amabhande extend imbobo siyanona kuvela ubhanana la ngemuva ya siyosa phela sijabula waya bafethu kumnandi nje impela ezweni
That is I think mfethu iBhakaniya it's a big team intanga and I think like iBhakaniya now fortunate like to have a representation from each and every because we can say ukuthi masiphume esigodini siya away but in reality let's be honest we going home mfethu everywhere we go mfethu we going to have majority of fans and not that suba kancane no it's probably going to be 80% amafan iBhakaniya mhlambe 20 is for the home and not unless we playing against Chiefs we know ukuthi it's 50-50 but anyone else into enjani. So we must use that to our advantage. We must win all these games mfethu Orlando away, Durban, Cape Town into enjani. Take the points. And then moving on to the referee uMasikole Bambiso.
I was not too frustrated because of the game of the magnitude earlier.
Yeah.
But I think like as much as I am amaphutha but naye umuntu mfethu understand no one doesn't make mistakes. I think uyibambe kahle kakhulu intanga when you was supposed to give yellow cards was giving yellow card. Yes khona ezinye izinto ongazipheshina but sohlala isikhala singabamba. But igame yayizola I feel ngathi uyibambe kamnandi kakhulu. So I'll give you a 10. Ngiyabapha ama-10 above these days.
I think Reverend Dang had a decent performance. I wasn't complaining that much in fact. And you could see what is an experienced referee because the way he managed the game, it was nice. In fact, gonna allow China to move this card. I'm cool man. From that point on, China zanga signs are into that. Even those small moments, let's control it like grand. Nothing much to complain about the referee. Keeper, what do you think of the referee?
Yeah, no, uRefoizolo really uyadeserve ukuthola kusamaflower nyana. Yeah, uyibambile igame njeyana mfethu ifuna ureferee osopa. Yeah, not ureferee o bribekayo. You understand because sometimes ibhola lethe eMzansi like limoshwe njengoreferee. Uzokuthiwa abalandeli abalandezi lethe kanti ureferee obacelile ukuthi begcine benza izinto ongamelanga bazenze but for Owayizolo for me igame uyijudge kahle ama yellow card mangithatha ukubheka wonke kade fanele khona la bekumela yekhona yeah so uyibambe kahle igame umjita siyacela ukuthi nabanye ureferee kube nento abayifundayo kuloya ya umjita usiphe igame emnandi ya singakhala nje obalishipa kanini lithi singabantu asineli phela khona abakhalayo umuntu kunabantu abahlezi bakhala mfethu cha bayakhala nje noma angajaja bahlezi bakhala nje but asisho ukuthi abangakhala but for me kwelami side angisoli lutho mfethu ngiyamnika 10 out of 10 umjita
Well deserved. And then moving on, Tanga, we playing against the Golden Arrows on Wednesday, playing away. What do you expect to see? A lot of changes already. Coach Melaiba the way.
First things we show kuzoba igame interesting. Golden Arrows siyadlala kakhulu. I understand. And the game is of there. And sifuna ukudlala nabantu abanjalo. Who will want to come at us? Because mabeza kithi sizokhona ukubabamba ngecounter one. Now what I need kule game exam. I need him to like sibe attack minded because Arrows injalo. Arrows ayibhaki ibhasi. Arrows want to play. So masidlala nabantu abanjengabo Arrows the only way to defend them ukuthi nathi siye phambili. I understand. So I'll need abantu abane speed when we play. I would like to see introduction of Tito back. Umasinda ngahlalo I understand. Hayi ukuthi umbatha ngimthanda ngenhliziyo yami yonke ama-talent awafana. But I think Masindi has proven ukuthi as much as umbatha adlala like sizombona center. I think istamina uMasinda kanaso ntanga it's so marvelous for us. I would like to see nomtajela lokadlala as much as asayenza right. I would like to see him. Where umbatha bamfaka i6 or what or bam5 mina it's not a problem but I would like to see a change nje akaTito and ubani uTito ngene and also nomtajela and I would like to see uMbuthuma Qhaka. That's what I would like to see from the coach.
Uyibekile ntanga. I mean, pretty much agree with those changes. Keeper, coach, I approach kanjani le game le Wednesday.
Wednesday is Wednesday. Kulula nje kusimple mfethu. Akushaywe labantu.
Yeah.
I-approach is-approach ngayo igame yalaba abantu bamkoko lapha. Le team yaseKongo. Same approach. Ya kungabikho i-team ezothathwa nyokuthi i-team encane. Ayikho i-team encane. And kulama team esithi mancane amadoda amadala lawa ya. Amanye ngama former players wethu. Do you understand? Ayisekho i-team encane. So lapha yana akangathatha ama chance ethi uzothatha abadlali abarusile abafake lapha ya. And enye into engingayifuni bayenze abake bayeke ukuriska nge-first half bethi bazokwenza izinto nge-second half. Sometimes uyadliwa nge-first half like the time isikhishwa eMagesi asishanga u-3-0 nge-first half. Sayijethi contest soyenza isikhathi imali baba. So njoba siya lapha yana ama point mfethu ayafana. Ama point e-first leg ayafana nawe second leg. So if usizoganga manje because iPirates inakho ukudlala thola ukuthi izofuna u3 point we against iSundowns mase sidlala nama team njengo Golden Arrows bayeke no as collecting kusase idli yeah the way iSundowns kade yenza ngakhona uqoqa lama league Sundowns iyashaya baba kuluko ama team okuncane so nathi lapha ya number 1 asilungisa indaba ye3 point bese silungisa indaba yani yamagoli yeah akusi cup game le indaba ye league le amagoli account fanele lapha nasibuyiso 7-1 o 5-1 o 8-1 so that nanoma kuthiwa siyalingana ngama point like njengoba manje silingana nani nama zebra lawo you understand silingana nawo kodwa ngokwe goal different that's why siu number 3 bo number 4 you understand so into yamagoli ibalulekile but kubaluleke kakhulu between amagoli nama points ama point so igame ya Wednesday amabhakane yawenze sure first half awabesicacisela sikhathele ukuwina ngokuminya bafethu ama-piles akhona sifuna ukuphathwa ngama-piles oh 1-0 mabhakane nizosiphathisa ngama-piles njalo fanele manje simince manje sekufanele sicheck ukuthi i-official iphakamisa ibhodi ithi ku-edwa ngakhe kwa-edwa 5 hawu i-1-0 angiyithandi bafethu ngiyanicela mabhakane first 20 minutes awangene nje abe u2 abe u3 mazithi 80 minutes masichecka lapha iscore sazi ukuthi zithi boma 5-1 si free lapha sifuna uqasa ukubraya before igame iphele kube kunuka inyama nje igame ingakapheli kube mnandi nje kahle ezweni but hayi Golden Arrows iyalwazi udaba ya udaba iyalwazi
ayisogolisi kakhulu
iGolden Arrows mhlawumbe umuntu nje okufanele simbheke ngaba huye umanqoba mnqithi since une experience yakhe kodwa yena ke usazi kahle bangamkhulumela bamkhulumela but yena udaba uyalwazi and into engithandayo iDurban enye yendawo yethu esigrindela abantu khona ngale eBdubani siyashaya baba enabalande babe begcwele lapha yana angisabi lutho iDurban hayi Durban neOrlando yafana so sibashayile already
they with mabhakane nemuzu keeper wafethu ufuna 2 or 3 first 20 minutes
fast
I like the confidence keeper Coach Tawalok iblome jwang.
So nothing changed against Wafethu. We got the prediction wrong. So Sahleli goes to 12 points, Nengo 16, and then Ufaya go 17. Sasenjalo. And then it's a prediction here for Golden Arrows.
Golden Arrows.
Yeah.
2-0 to Orlando Pirates. Keeper.
3-1 siyawina. Pirates 3.
Keeper upromise ama 5 goals ndoda.
No, i5 goals bengithi bekuyisifiso. Bekukhuluma ngesifiso. Yeah, but i3-1 imnandi. Imnandi 3-1. Into engayifuni labo 1-0 laba. Athele hayi. Simncile enough is enough.
Score kale 20 minutes lama goal ay3 straight.
Awangene khona la fast. Sheshe spray. Ufuna ibray mina lapha. Inyama.
Lemlambo 3-0 to Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
Ghost.
Hayi. Barafiri ngizofana 1-0. 1-0 Pirates.
Awukhulume naye lo muntu keeper. Uthi uyifuni 1-0 ufake 1-0.
Uyasihlolela. Uyasihlolela lona. Bethu December ushani nisiphethe ngama-piles. 1-0 bafetha imnanda. Bafethu i1-0 umngozi. Check the game. Khona le game yokugcina seOrlando. Lapha nansi le game iswine ngo2 bese lalana iswele
Oh
leya manje siseOrlando imagesi
yeah.
you can imagine if besilida ngo1-0 leli goli elingene umdlalo uphelile bekuzokwenzeka lana
Eish.
u1-0 is not make sure
Inkinga.
ifuneki leyanto ngoba lapha mfethu urefu at 3 minutes kukhanta sekusela ama second qa 1-1
Yeah.
you understand so i1 yakho nkabi no
Ngishintshe
shintsha lento lapha kulo 1 faka u0 baba
kube uthe
kube u10 na u10 awunamgozi mfethu no10 awunamgozi yeah
akiphathi ngishintshe babethi zohamba nefonili ke
nakho at least uyakhuluma ngani
ngazohlola ngewani
ungasiloleli mfethu cabangani ngathi sewusikotliwe asuke naturela wenza njani manje
Ayisiwona amazebra.
isikhosi amazebra leso baba
Yeah, there you have it, Mapagania. Last week, Mr. Mlambo, beekeeper, anything you like to say to Mapagania?
mina ngathanda ukusho ukuthi siyabonga amabhakaniya like for uthando nisipha lona. I understand ama invite esiwatholayo like the community is growing most of you. So what I like ukuthi siyenze siqhubekeni sisubscribe sibukele i-content lena asizonipha because lena i-voice amabhakaniya, so anyone is welcome to come and raise i-voice yakhe into engayisho message.
Yeah, Mapagania, please keep on keeping on, Bafethu, liking, sharing, and subscribing, Lapo, keeper.
indaba ilapho bafethu ake sifundeni ukusupportana singabantu bebala lensundo. So anything oyibonayo ephathelene nomuntu ebala lethu mfethu noma ngabe kuthiwa ke usave data subscribe mfethu ubheke ucheck kwenzekalani kubalulekile ukuthi sisupportane bafethu sifane nalo mhlobo abathi ama Indians ishopula so makune podcast mfethu yomuntu wakithi mfethu subscribe ulike ucomment we understand and bese sibonga our Mr Chairman siyabonga chairman siyabonga se usiphethe kahle usinakekelela take care of team yethu ikhalo zethu kuyacaca ukuthi uyazimamela and uyazattend so siyabonga and siyakubona sometimes nase stadium bakhona siyakubonga lokho and kuyinto enkulu kithi ukubona support engaka coming from our chairman. Sibonga nje konke singamabhakaniya ngithi amabhakaniya mzomnyama bafethu sibonge uprofessional benu kukhona la engibone khona le game usizodliwa eOrlando siphume weekef amabhakaniya ebene right yokumosha lapha yana ebene right yokumosha the way uref kadenza ngakhona umkoko kadenza ngakhona but professional bavela babehave kahle amabhakaniya ngiyanicela amabhakaniya noma ngabe kuthiwa kubhlungu kangakanani akulahlelwa izinto estadium akuphulwa idulo akuliwa akuthukwa nhlamba man nala kuma social media sinciphiseni level yenhlamba yeah up the bucks
thank you beekeeper
Mapagania, please follow Beekeeper Bafethu on Facebook. He has his own Facebook page as well, Bafethu. Show him some love.
yeah
Who TikTok futhi?
ngigcwele yonke indawo bafethu ngiyibeekeeper lezwe ngumuntu wabantu and mfethu is so amazing ngithi glory to God. I never thought ukuthi kuyofika isikhathi la enyoke ngiexperience uthando lwabantu abangithanda ngalo mfethu uma ngifika estadium mfethu abantu bayalithanda ibeekeeper labo. That is why sometimes ngehle emotweni mfethu ngidonse handbrake ngisho iduma anginandaba no petrol ngishuthe nabantu bami kanti bami mfethu baphiwe inkosi uNkulunkulu ngipha abantu bafethu ngiyayithoba Mzansi emapage nami ngimuhle kakhulu. Just imagine mfethu umuntu njengami mfethu una more than 160k followers.
Wow.
I love that. TikTok ngikhona more than 100 followers. Facebook ngiyakubonga lokho ngiyasithoba bafethu uNkulunkulu angisize angiphe umoya wokuyithoba. Yeah umoya wokusithoba wokuzehlisa angifuni impakamo. Devil thatha into yakho pride angifuni. Yeah abantu bafethu angiyoze ngibe mqoka more than abantu bawu number 1 yohlezi ngu number 2. Yeah so angiyona ifan etop kunamanye and into engithanda ngathi bafethu lapha kwa Pirates asinawo number 1 fan
Yeah.
Asinaye uma kade khona ejeli 2 number 1 siyakucela mfowethu sisi bhuti cha hlehla bhesina kapha hlehla bhesina kapha uma uthi number 1 fan unumber last ubani siyalingana bafethu zalo ubaba yedwa umama yedwa nami ayikho into engispecial ngayo ukuthi ningibone ku up the bucks ngiyacruiser ngiyatrenda ayikho into special ngami into special ngami uJehova nje kuphela. Thank you ngiyazibongela lapha.
Hallelujah.
Amen.
Amen.
Thank you Beekeeper. No siyabonga uthando mapakania sabonga Beekeeper. It was great having you at studio mfethu. Nayizolo we thank you so much for invite. Sinjoye kakhulu. Sithi hayi khula Beekeeper. Khula. Siyabonga mfethu. Singayivala mapakania bupha.